Good morning, students. Yesterday, in our previous video, we have completed till relational operator, in which we have learned the relation between two operands. It means comparison of two operands we have learned in the previous day. Today, we are going to start from the topic where we have left yesterday. Today, we are going to start from logical operator. Now, logical operators are used to combine two or more relational operators. Relational expression. What is logical operator? The logical operators are those operators which are used for combining two or more relational expression. In Java, mainly three types of logical operators are there. First is AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. These are the three operators. First we will study about logical AND. The logical AND is written as ampersand, double ampersand is there, like this one is logical AND. It combines two expression into one. The resulting expression evaluates to true if only both conditions satisfy. This is the truth table. This is called the truth table of logical AND operator. Like if first expression is false and second expression is false, the result will be false. If first expression is false, second expression is true, again result will be false. If first expression is true, second expression is false, result will be false. If both the expression is true, then only result will be true. This is the truth table of logical AND operator. Similarly, logical OR, it is written as the symbol of logical OR is this. It also combines two expression into one expression, and resulting expression evaluates to true when any one of the condition is true. Like false false, it is false. False true, any one is true, then the condition will be true. True false, one is true, that's why condition will be true. True true, condition will be true because both the condition are true. It is just like English language. In English we have studied and का मतलब क्या होता है? ये और ये, इसका मतलब ये दोनों, both the things. And or, what is the meaning of or का मतलब या, अगर ये नहीं तो दूसरा. That's why if in logical OR, if any of the statement is correct, if any of the expression is true, the result will be true. In AND operator, in AND, logical AND, if any of the expression is false, the result will be false. Only true we will get when both the expressions are true. Hope that this logic table is clear to you, and next we will move to the next topic. You should learn this truth table. You should learn the truth table of both logical AND and logical OR. Now let us move to the next page. Here we will learn about logical NOT operator, the third operator, logical NOT, whose symbol is exclamation marks. In logical NOT, only one operand is there, or only one expression is there, we can say, and it is the negative. Since it is not negative, if the expression is true, it will result at false. If the expression is false, it will result as true. It means just we are taking the opposite. If expression is true, result will be false. If expression is false, result will be true. This is the logical NOT operator. Now next type of operator is concatenation operator. When different messages or values needed to be displayed along with a variable, then they are separated with a plus sign. Like here example is given, system.out.println. This system.out.println is the print statement for printing, getting output in Java. System.out.println is the print statement for taking print in Java. My name is plus nm. It means it is simply separating with plus sign. Here plus sign is given. It is just for separation. This plus sign is just for separation. Here what is the explanation? my name is a string. Here my name is a string, and one thing you remember, a string is always enclosed within inverted comma. This inverted comma you can see both the side. Any string is enclosed within inverted comma. My name is a string and nm is the name of variable. Nm is the name of variable. You can take any variable, either x, y, z, whatever you want. Plus is used as concatenation operator to read the value present in variable nm. This plus symbol is used to read the value of the variable. It will read the value of the variable. Now let us see conditional operator. Next is ternary operator or conditional. Earlier we have studied unary operator. Today we were studying binary operator, and the last type of operator is ternary operator. It means in ternary operator there will be 3 operand, or you can say there will be 3 numeric value. The syntax of ternary operator is variable, condition between that variable, then expression 1 raised to expression 2. See here, an example is taken. Int m, the value m is a variable whose value has been assigned 40. Data type will be integer. N is equal to 200, and we have to find max. It means max is a variable and we have to search for the maximum value here. Max is equal to m greater than n. Conditional statement, conditional operator is there, that is question mark. Then after m is to n, we have followed simply the rule that whatever condition, whatever syntax is given here, in the same syntax we have written, and then system.out.println. This for the printing statement. Greater number is plus max. Plus is used as a concatenation operator. Then it is used for printing the value within the max. Next it is saying in this example condition is false, so expression 2 will execute. Here condition is there, conditional operator we are studying, that's why here this condition is false, because we can see that m is less than n, but we have provided n. Then if it is false, number 2 expression will execute. The value of n will stored in a maximum variable, so max variable will be 100. Now these were the 3 types of operator. Hope that it is clear. Basic detail we will learn in the programming section. That these are the theory part. Only you have to learn these things, that what is expression, what is ternary operator, what is conditional operator, what is binary operator, what is unary operator. These things you have to learn. You have to only understand the syntax, that what is the syntax of the any of the expression, how to write in a programming. Now next we will study about data type. Now there are so many data type. Data type reflect the type of data that is to be stored in the variable. Which type of data we are going to store in a variable, data type will reflect that. Like first data type is character. First data type is character. This data type stores a single character in a variable. It stores a single character in a variable. The keyword for this data type is char. It is pronounced as char. And the format for declaring character data type is char a semicolon. Here char is the data type, a is the name of the variable of type character. Similarly, the next data type is string. This data type stores a sequence of character. Here character was storing only single character, and string is storing a sequence of character. The keyword for this data type is string. Format is same, string a. Here string is the data type and a is the name of variable, that is of type string. Now the third data type is integer data type, which is used to store integer value, that means numeric value. It is used for mathematical calculation. The format for declaring integer is int p. Here int is the data type, p is the name of the variable of type integer. Hope that these data types are clear. This thing you have to learn the format. You should learn the format, because format can be asked in the examination. Write the syntax. This is also known as Syntax to declare integer value, syntax to declare character, syntax to declare string. These things you should learn. Next we will move to the next data type, that is float. The next data type is float. This data type store fractional numbers. It is used for storing fractional number. It is used when fractional calculation is required. Whenever we are going to do any fractional calculation, then we will use data type float. Now format will remain same, float x. Here float is data type, x is the name of variable of type float. Next data type is Boolean. Boolean is used for true false statement. Boolean stands for true false. Boolean data type is used for true false statement. A variable is referred as Boolean if it can hold value that is either true or false. A Boolean can store only that value which is either true or it is false. The keyword which is used is Boolean. Like here, if we want to declare the format, the syntax for writing Boolean is Boolean age is equal to true if condition is true or it is false. Up to here, hope that data type is clear. Now in the last, today again at last we will move to the last topic, that is now onwards we will start Java programming, that how to write Java programming and what are the steps to write Java programming. Now first thing we will learn about layout of Java program, how a Java program is written. Here you can see a Java program can be assumed to be divided into one or more sections which contain statements within them to perform specific task. The fundamental structure of Java program are, what is the fundamental structure? The first is documentation section, second is package statement, third is import, fourth is interface, class definition, main method class, delimiters, main method definition, delimiters closed. Now we will see one by one all these things. First let us see documentation section. Documentation, it means on what problem we are going to solve using the Java program. It means what task we are going to do, that will be written as document section. It means we will provide comment that what program, the program which we are going to write, that is for what purpose, that will be written in document section. Now here see, you can see that documentation section consists of set of comment line with name and other identity details related to the program. What are the details related to the program? That is being provided in document section. We can also write the name of programmer and the date on which program was created and updated in the comment line. We can provide comment whatever you want to provide comment, like name of the programmer, which person has done the programming, or on which date it has been updated, or what is the task which the program is going to perform. You can write like that also. Anything you can write in the comment section. Now how to write comment? The comment line start with a symbol. This symbol you can see double slash. For a single line comment, if we are providing a single line comment, we will start with this, and this for multiple line comment, and this for generating documenting automatically. This will generate documentation automatically. This is for single line comment, this is for multiple line comment. After this we are going to start Java programming, in which I will show you how to run Java program, how to write Java program, everything I will show you. But these are the small things which you should understand, try to understand, and in the practical part I will make you all the things clear. Now it is not necessary, this document section is not necessary for writing in a program. If you want to write, you can write. If you want to ignore, you can ignore it. But programmer used to write this. Why? Because suppose if today I have done the programming, and after me some other person came and want to update that program, so he or she should know that related to what task the program is written. That's why we should follow the documentation section, and we should write the document, or we should leave the comment there, so that whoever programmer is going to come after you, he or she can also understand that whatever program you have written is for what task. Now second, we will study class and object. As we have already discussed earlier, in object oriented programming we have discussed classes and object, and since Java is an object oriented programming language, that's why here also we are going to discuss a small concept of class and object. Now here we have discussed class and object in previous chapter. Now format class word simple. To declare a class, the syntax is simply class. This bird is the name of the class. You can write anything. You can take any of the real world entity for declaring as a class. Now let us move further. Main method class. Here we are going to learn about main method class. It is a user defined function under which characteristics and behavior of object is defined. Here we are defining characteristics and behavior of the object. Like format is public static void main string args. It means for argument. Now this is the format for main method class, public static void main. This format you have to learn for writing the program. Void main string args. You see one thing, that what is the way of writing the syntax. The thing which is written in small case, you have to write in small case. Thing which is written in capital alphabet, you have to write in uppercase. Now here public static void main string args, these all the description is given here. Now let us see one by one what is the description. Here public, the keyword public declares that the main method has no restriction and therefore makes the data member and method accessible for other class. This public is being used for you can say that it can be accessible for other classes also. That's why we are using the word public. Static, the word static denotes Java virtual machine can call main method without the help of an object. This static words denotes that anytime Java virtual machine can call the main method without help of the object. Now next is void. The data type void states that the main method does not return any value, that the main method is not going to return any value. Main, the word main, that means it is a keyword. As we have studied about keyword, this is main is a keyword. The keyword states that it is a method from where the execution of program begin. It is the main method from where we are going to start our program. Now string argument, declare string array. It is declaring this box. This curly braces is used to declare array. It declares a string array which is a variable of string type that passes the value through command line. This is we are using for the main method class. From here the main method, that is the main class, after declaring the class, the main method begins from here. Now here definition of array is given. Since we are not going to learn array this year, in the next year in class 9 I will make you learn what is array and how to solve the program related to array based on array. Next is delimiters. Delimiters is the pair of curly braces. Delimiters is the pair of curly braces. One is for opening and another is for closing. The set of statements belonging to the main method are enclosed within a pair of curly braces. Here you can see in the program, here it is written in just at the bottom of this page. Here in the program you can see a pair of braces is given for the starting and ending. Here you can see, here curly braces open, again curly braces open. When we will move to the next page, there will be curly braces closed also. Whatever bracket we are opening, it has to be closed also. So here let's see what is written here. The set of statements belonging to main method are enclosed within pair of curly braces, which are called as delimiters. It is also known as delimiters. The opening braces indicates that block of code is about to begin. when we are providing opening braces, this is the opening braces. When we are providing opening braces, it means our block of program is going to begin, and the closing braces indicates the termination. If we are closing the braces, it means it is terminating. Terminating means it is at the end. These are the delimiters. Next is body section. It is the main portion of Java programming where we are writing the logic to solve any problem or to develop any software or to write any program. It is that portion of Java program in which necessary statements are written to make program. These were the top portion. These body section in which main contents are written. It consists of declaration part and executable part. It means that in body section we are going to declare anything, we are going to execute that thing. The declaration part declares all the variables used in executable part. Whatever variable we are going to declare, that should be declared in the declaration part, and which we are going to execute in the execution part, those variables should be declared in the declaration part. These two parts must appear between opening and closing braces. It means these two parts, that is declaration and execution, both the parts should be kept between, or it should come between opening and closing braces. The program execution begin at opening braces and end at closing braces, that we have studied in delimiters also. The closing brace. Now let us see one Java program. Now this is the simple Java program. Here write a Java program to print a message, hello world. Hello world. See this, the very first line, it is the very first line is the comment. Just now we have studied about comment, program to print a message. Now this comment is called as documentation section. Just now we have studied about documentation section. The first line is documentation section. This is a single line comment. Now class, we have declared the class morning. You can write any real world entities as a class. Then opening braces, for the class morning we have opened class morning. Then public static void main string args, it has been taken as main method definition. Then delimiters, again opening braces we are using for what? For main method. And next system.out.println hello world. Here system.out.println is the output statement, and hello world, see here you can see that hello world, it is written within the bracket, enclosed within a inverted comma followed by a semicolon. Semicolon is used to terminate a valid Java statement, and this will print hello world in the output screen. Now braces closed. This is the simple program. You can try to print your name also. Now today I am covering up to here, and in the next class I will be moving and starting the Java program in the computer, and directly in the computer I am going to start in the next video. That will be the last video. Okay.